Welcome to TechLibar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create table on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that open any document. After that select any slide and then click on insert tab option, and here you can see table option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can insert or create table and you can choose your column and row from here. If I select 2 into 2 and it's done, you can see table has been created successfully. You can also change your table position from here. You can change your table position easily by pressing arrow key from your keyboard, and that's it. You can also change your table position using your mouse. You have to just put the cursor here and then you can change your table position, and that's it. Also, if you want to customize your table, just select your table and then click on table design tab or table layout tab. From these two tabs you can customize your table and you can customize anything as you want. And that is how you can create table on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.